Okay, this is a model kit review of the 1971 Plymouth HEMI Cuda, and it's part of the Revell muscle cars. It's a 1/28 4th scale model, and here are the dimensions, colors needed, and, pictures of the model. Let's have a look inside. So here's our body. It's fairly well molded. I don't know what that is though. And it's got some nice details on it. And here's our cockpit, some seats. Here's the front. Got the two parts of the engine and transmission. This is our dashboard here. Here's our chassis. Looks like it has our exhausts molded into it, along with the silencer. And we have seats, seat backs, and our steering wheel here. And we have our wheel brakes, disc brakes here. On the belts and radiator. It's all reasonably well molded. We have some part of the suspension. These are the headers and exhausts, and our transaxle, or our axle here with the drive shaft, and some of the engine parts. Here's the hood, and some other body parts. Here we have our wheels. Reasonably well molded, they're quite hard. And then we have our glass. And we have our wheels, and then some of the chrome parts. So all fairly well molded, and some good details there. Here are the instructions, and let's go through those. There are the colors needed, and looks like we have some stickers here, the decals for the back, if you wanted to use those. Put the engine together with the headers and the rest of the engine, and fan, transmission, exhaust goes on the chassis. Next we put the wheels together, steering column, rack, then the drive shaft and rear axle. Start putting the body pieces together. Radiator goes in, and they build the cockpit. That then goes inside the body, and the chassis goes in the body. You start to build the bumper and the rest of the car parts, including the front. And then we have the wing. And then there's our air intake and the hood. There's some paint guide here. All in all, reasonably well molded, good level of quality, and some good parts there.